Today, I welcome you all to the second pillar series of this channel, titled Learn English Through Stories, The Learning Room. This series is designed to help you improve your listening and speaking skills through engaging and meaningful stories. At the end of each story, you will find a linguistic explanation of the text. These explanations will help you develop your vocabulary toggle, improve your grammar, and refine your pronunciation. In addition, this series will give you valuable insight into English language culture. So let's start. Today's story title is A Small Cup of Happiness. Every morning, before the world becomes loud and busy, I make myself a cup of coffee. It's not just a drink. It's a small moment of peace. I hold the warm cup in my hands and take a slow sip. The smell wakes me up before the coffee does. In that quiet moment, I don't rush. I don't check my phone. I just breathe. Coffee gives me time. Time to think, time to plan, time to feel calm. Some people drink coffee to stay awake. I drink it to feel alive. Whether I'm walking to work or sitting alone, that cup of coffee feels like a friend. A simple one, but always there. For me, happiness doesn't come in big things. Sometimes it comes in a small cup. Now, let's learn English from the story. And we will talk about some key vocabulary terms, cultural expressions/idioms, sentence structure, pronunciation focus, pragmatic insight, and cultural insight. In the key vocabulary section, the first expression we discuss is a moment of peace. This expression is a natural collocation. It is a combination of three words: moment, of, and feeling. It means a short period of calm and relaxation. For example, she needed a moment of peace after work. This sentence expresses that she needed a short time to relax and feel calm. Next is take a sip. This is a verb plus noun collocation. The verb take is naturally used with the noun sip. We do not say drink a sip because it is not a natural collocation in English. Sip means to drink a very small amount of liquid. Example: he took a sip of water. This sentence means that he drank a small amount of water, slowly. Third vocabulary item is wake me up. This is a phrasal verb formed with the verb wake and the particle up. It can have both literal and metaphorical meanings. In this context, it is used in its literal meaning, which means to stop sleeping and become mentally awake. Example: my alarm woke me up. This sentence means that the alarm caused me to stop sleeping and become awake. Fourth is loud and busy. This is an adjective plus adjective pairing. Loud means making a lot of noise, and busy means full of activity or movement. Such adjective combinations are very common in English. Together, loud and busy describes a place that is noisy and very active. Example: a loud and busy city. This phrase describes a city with a lot of noise, people, and constant activity. And lastly, rush. Rush is a verb. It means to do something too quickly, usually because of pressure or a lack of time. Example: don't rush your decision. This sentence advises someone to take their time and not make a decision too quickly. Now the second category. It is about expressions and idioms. And here we have feel alive. This is an idiomatic expression. It has an emotional meaning, not a physical one. It describes feeling fully awake, energetic, or excited about life. This expression is common in both spoken and written English. Example: I feel alive when I'm traveling. This sentence expresses that traveling makes the person feel excited, energetic, and fully engaged with life. Second and final one is comes in big things. This is a metaphorical expression. It follows an abstract noun pattern. English often uses come in for talking about form, size, or type, to describe how something appears or arrives. Example: happiness sometimes comes in big things. This sentence means that happiness can arrive in significant or important ways, not literally coming. The third section is about sentence structure. It's not just a drink. It's a small moment of peace. These sentences use parallel structure. The sentences are short and balanced, which creates emphasis. This style is common in storytelling and reflective writing. Explanation: English often uses short, parallel sentences to highlight emotions and make ideas more memorable. And next is whether I'm walking to work or sitting alone. This uses the whether or structure, which shows alternatives. It is very common in natural English for presenting choices or different possibilities. Example meaning: this sentence highlights two different situations, emphasizing that the speaker feels the same way in both. And fourth section, focus on the pronunciation. Cup of coffee. The correct pronunciation of this expression is cup of coffee. Notice that of becomes sha, a weak form in natural speech. Explanation: native speakers often reduce small words like of when speaking naturally to make their speech faster and smoother. Example: I'd like a cup of coffee, please. This sentence shows how of is pronounced quickly as in everyday speech. The fifth section is about overall style of writing, means sociolinguistic insight. The tone of overall writing is neutral and reflective. This style of writing is suitable for blogs writing, personal essays, and storytelling. It is not suitable for academic writing. Explanation: this is the type of English used to express feelings, thoughts, and habits in a natural, personal way. It's common in informal but thoughtful writing. The sixth and second last section is about pragmatics inside of the story. The sentence, I drink it to feel alive. Hidden means is that coffee is not literally life. This sentence uses language to express emotional value. In English, speakers often use exaggeration to show strong feelings or enjoyment. Example meaning: the speaker drinks coffee because it makes him feel energetic, awake, and emotionally refreshed. Next sentence is, I just breathe. It does not mean breathing as a medical or physical action. Pragmatically, its meaning is, I relax, I calm myself, and I enjoy the moment. This is emotional language, not a physical description. Explanation: English often uses physical actions to express emotional states. Lastly, cultural insight. The word coffee in English-speaking cultures symbolize daily routine, personal time, and comfort. Explanation: language often reflects daily culture and habits, not just grammar or vocabulary. Example meaning: talking about coffee can show how people structure their day, take breaks, or enjoy small comforts in life. And next word is breathing. In English-speaking cultures, this word is associated with calmness, mindfulness, and self-care. Explanation: in the sentence, this word reflects emotional peace, a mental pause, and personal space, not just the physical act of breathing. Example meaning: using breathing in this context emphasizes relaxation and taking a moment for oneself. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed learning English through stories, this is a new series on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for the next story. Keep learning, keep improving. The Learning Room, your room to learn anything.